Ordoro lets you control inventory syncing at both the sales channel and product level. If you don't need to sync stock, like for dropshipped items, this setting is for you. This video shows how to disable inventory writeback for a single product, but you can also use our bulk data import feature to update multiple products at once. Go to the Products tab in the green bar. Search for the product name or SKU you want to disable inventory writeback for. Click the product name, then go to the Sales Channels tab. Locate the sales channel where you want to disable sync, then in the writeback column, click Enabled. A modal will open with a checkbox at the top. This controls whether inventory writeback is enabled for the product. To disable syncing, uncheck the box. This prevents Ordoro from sending stock updates to that sales channel. If the product is listed on multiple sales channels, repeat these steps for each channel where you want to disable syncing. Click Save, and the update will take effect immediately. Once disabled, the product will no longer sync to the sales channel until you re-enable the setting. With Ordoro, you have full control over your inventory syncing, ensuring it aligns with your business needs.